In this video, we are going to estimate the mean with confidence intervals. So first off, we want to assume that the data comes from a normal distribution, so this satisfies our conditions. And we want to create a 95% confidence interval. And we want to estimate the average systolic blood pressure. So here we're looking for, we want to estimate the population mean. And it tells us we sampled 10 people, so n equals 10. And then we obtained a mean from that sample of 121.2. So our sample mean, our x bar, is 121.2. And it tells us our standard deviation from those 10 people was 11.1. So that's our sample standard deviation is 11.1. So now we want to find our interval, which again was 95%, so I'll put 0.95 down here. Alright, so we have everything we need, so now we can go into StatCrunch. And because we have our sample standard deviation, our population standard deviation is unknown, we're going to use t-stats. We only have one sample here, and then we have a summary. So our sample mean is 121.2. Our sample standard deviation is 11.1, and our sample size is 10. So it's a good thing to underline these, write them all down first, so then when you get to StatCrunch, you have them all ready. So then we want to create a confidence interval. Again, it's 95%, so that's good. So we have everything filled in, so we can compute. So here we have our interval. We have our lower and upper limits. So let me type this out. So we have, are 95% confident based on our confidence level that the population average systolic blood pressure is between 113.2.3, round that up, and 129.1. So we are 95% confident that the population average systolic blood pressure is between 113.3 and 129.1. So always make sure you're interpreting your interval at the end. Using this same setup, you always be how much confidence you are, and then talk about whatever your population parameter is. So this one was the mean, and then your interval. And that is how you estimate the mean using StatCrunch.